Well, today we came in here. Now the hot water was working before, right, Steve?
Yes, it was.
Okay, so how come it's not working? Okay, process of elimination. What should we check out first since the water heater was working, but now it's not?
The
What
first
could be
thing I
wrong?
did is I turned both faucets on individually to make sure that the lines weren't crossed.
Okay.
Then I came over here, checked the breaker. Breakers were on. Good there.
That's true, because I checked that yesterday when I was in here.
Then I remember you came in here one day
Uh-huh.
into the closet where the water heater is and wondered, what's this switch for? And just flipped it off. And about half an hour ago, I flipped it back on just to see.
Because there was no light in here. See, no light. We thought it was for a light, so we thought maybe they forgot to put a light up here. Because there's a switch in a closet.
Right, so I turned it on,
Uh-huh.
and then you just checked the water heater after about a half an hour of being on, and what did you find?
Hot water.
So,
Okay.
switch turns the hot water heater off.
So my question is to all of you people viewing, have you ever seen that before? What is the reason to have a switch for a hot water heater
In the closet.
in the closet? And it's not for a light, but the hot water heater is behind this panel. So we always say with mobile homes,
You never know.
we never know. We always end up finding something. Okay, he's being silly. But okay, we don't have to tear it apart because last weekend one of our tenants had a water heater that didn't work. It was working, but all of a sudden she had no hot water. Okay, let's come in here. We're just finishing up this really pretty 16 by 80. We'll show you a little bit, give you a tour. We're just buttoning it up today. This is the master walk-in closet. Really nice mobile, nice layout. This brand new toilet that we installed. Used to have a garden tub here, but we took it out because they have a nice walk-in shower. I want to thank Faith for cleaning this house. She did a really good job. Then we come over here and this whole counter had to be replaced. But isn't it pretty? We did something different.
Yes, we had to replace the entire countertop because it was waterlogged and sagging.
Yep, waterlogged and sagging. So we got creative with plywood, sanded it, stained it, polyurethaned it quite a few times. Had to replace the fan hood. This is where the refrigerator goes. This is the living room. Nice size living room.
Plenty of mirrors.
Yeah, plenty of mirrors. And some of the mobile homes have stuff like that. We kind of like to leave it. And here's our Allure flooring that we laid down a couple weekends ago. Thanks Ashley for laying down our carpet in here. So this is the middle room. It has a nice little closet. And then this whole bathroom in here was actually gutted. The only thing we saved was the sink. But we had to put the whole subfloor in here. And thanks for Thomas, one of our tenants who helped us with the subfloor. And then the whole tub got installed. New tub, brand new tub. And Steve did that. Then we came over here. I don't do nothing. I just, tell people what to do, right? He's laughing. So we put access panels to our plumbing so we don't have to worry about it. But this is the third bedroom. Nice little walk-in closet. So we're about ready to rent this one out. Everyone that comes in here says, "Ooh, I like this." A couple of feet in a mobile home makes a big difference as far as size. Put some nice furniture in here. Nice little entryway out the front door. Nice room. you.